Hello, welcome to my channel. It's more coins. In this video, I will gently introduce you to some key concepts you need to know before you kickstart your journey into the world of cryptocurrency and into the world of blockchain. So this video is specifically for beginners. So let's dive into the introduction of what cryptocurrency is. A cryptocurrency is just like a digital form of cash. You can use it to pay friends for things you bought. You can, like the normal way you use your cash. So it's a cash, but it's in a digital form. So you can't see it and you can't touch it. It's online. You can use it to buy anything. You can use it to book a hotel, book a flight. Because cryptocurrency is digital, it can also be sent to friends and family anywhere in the world. Just like paper, right? It's way more interesting. You see, traditional online payment gateways are owned by organizations. They hold your money for you and you need to ask them to transfer it on your behalf when you want to spend it. That is what we call centralized. So in cryptocurrency, there isn't an organization. You are in charge of your phone. You, your friends, and thousands of others can act as your own banks by running free software. Your computer connects with other people's computers, meaning you communicate directly, no middleman required. To use cryptocurrency, you don't need to sign up for a website. You just download some crypto apps and you start sending and receiving money online. Let's look at the history of cryptocurrency and the birth of Bitcoin. Why is it called cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is gotten from a combination of two words, crypto and currency. Crypto is kind of a short form for cryptography. When we say cryptography, we mean the use of advanced maths to secure our funds, making sure that nobody else can spend them. There's no need to understand all these concepts concerning cryptography or all these concepts concerning the advanced maths of a thing, because the apps you will download will do the work for you. They will do the underground work for you. How is it better than our normal banking system? Now, cryptocurrency is better because it is permissionless, censorship resistant. It offers cheap and fast payment method. Now let's break it down. When we say permissionless, we mean no one can stop you from using your cryptocurrency. Centralized payment services, on the other hand, can freeze your account, they can block your account, and they can, due to their network issues, you may not even transfer money. Censorship resistance. Because of the way the network is designed, it is virtually impossible for hackers or other attacks to shut it down. Decentralized crypto apps is virtually impossible to hack the system. And it offers a cheap and fast payment. When you make a transaction to someone at the other side of the world, your money can be with them within seconds at a fraction of the cost of an international wire transfer. What about Bitcoin that your friends and family keeps talking about? Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency, and to date the most popular. It is the first ever cryptocurrency that came into existence. Amazingly, nobody knows who invented cryptocurrency. We only know the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi could be a single person, a group of programmers. Satoshi published a 9-page document in 2008 detailing how the Bitcoin system worked. Months later, in 2009, the software itself was released. Bitcoin provided the foundation for many other cryptocurrencies. It's the building block of all other cryptocurrencies. So that means any other cryptocurrency in existence was built. They were built from what has already been done with Bitcoin. So they are making it better than Bitcoin. Some of them are faster, some of them are more secure, some of them offers cheaper transaction fee. And as a common saying in cryptocurrency space, do your own research. It just means that you shouldn't take information from a single source as the truth. You should do well to make your research before investing in any coin or any cryptocurrency you come across. Let's quickly dive into another important aspect of cryptocurrency you need to understand before you can eventually kickstart your journey into the world of cryptocurrency. Blockchain. A blockchain is just a database. Don't be confused with all these big words that a lot of people have been using online to explain what blockchain is. It's simply a database. That's a where information is stored. A database where data is stored. As simple as that. It isn't a particularly sophisticated one. You could create it in a spreadsheet with minimal effort. There are some peculiarities with this blockchain. Yeah. So let's look at these peculiarities. The first is that blockchains are append only. That means you can only add information. You can't just click on a cell and delete stuff that you have already added or change it in any way. The second is that each entry called a block in the database is cryptographically linked to the last entry. In plain English, let's just explain it. That's each new entry must contain a sort of fingerprint, a sort of digital fingerprint. We call it hash in cryptocurrency of the last one. So it must have a thread of the last one. It must have something that connects it with the last one. That's what we're just trying to. That's it. And since each hash or each fingerprint points back to the last one, you end up with a chain of blocks. The new one has a thread of the last one. Since the new one is pointing us back to the last one, a blockchain. It's a kind of block that are chained. The third one, a blockchain is immutable. If you change a block, it changes the fingerprint, and since that fingerprint is included in the next block is changed too. And since that block's fingerprint, well, you get the idea, it continues. So if you changes one block, it affects all the blocks linked in that chain. You can't alter any information without everyone noticing. You get it? Is that all? That's not all. That's fair. The innovative here isn't some cumbersome alternative to Google Sheet. Is that everyone can download blocks from other people on the network to build identical copies of the blockchain on their computers. That's what the software we mentioned earlier does. So if anyone can make a block, what stops them from cheating it? These are questions some people might keep asking. It probably seems very attractive to you to create a block that says, Ben, pay Joshua 1,000,000 coins for the transaction with funds you don't own. Well, that's not how it works. Because of some cryptography, kind of a game theory, and sometimes called a consensus algorithm, the system prevents you from spending funds you shouldn't be able to spend. That is why it is very secure. You can't spend a fund that is not your own. So make sure you do your own research to find out more about cryptocurrency. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell in order to be notified whenever we post new videos. Thank you.